This video will show you how to use the Microsoft Snipping tool. This tool can be used to capture a screenshot of anything on your screen. For example, I have a Microsoft Word document open on my desktop. I'm going to use the Snipping tool to capture a portion of this document and save it as an image. The Snipping tool can be found on the Start button menu, All Programs, and the Accessories folder. Now, if you use this tool as much as I do, you'll want to get to it easier. You could do that by right-clicking on the program and pinning it to either your Start menu or your taskbar. I'm going to pick the taskbar. And you'll see it right here at the bottom. Now all you have to do is click on it to start it. You'll see your screen fade a little bit. That just means it's ready for capturing. The way you start the capture is left-click your mouse button and hold it down, and then drag around the area you want to capture, and then let go of the mouse button. And it capture is done just like that. Now you could do things like mark it up with a highlighter if you want to. Erase your marks. Use a pen. Email it. Or copy it. If you copy it, it copies it to the clipboard and you can paste it into things like Paint. And you can do more things here as well. And then you can save it. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to save it as an image. Save it to my desktop by clicking here. Give it a name. And then click Save. And there it is right there. This is a very handy tool, especially if you're on the internet and you're reading things if you see something that you want to remember but don't want to write it all down, like for the shortcut keys or something with the snipping tool. I don't want to really write all this down right now, especially if I'm still reading. So I'll just use the snipping tool and then capture it and then save it for later. And that's how you use the Microsoft Snipping tool. Thanks for watching.